Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create these cute stickers, these cute apple stickers that you can see over here, that you can also change the color really easily. So I just need to select it and then choose color and then choose the color that I want the sticker to be. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new page, and then I'm going to choose the pen and I'm going to make it thicker, and then I'm going to just make 2 circles. Now I'm going to color in the circle. Again, your circles don't have to be perfect, but it can be if you want. So here we have the circles. Now the imperfect circles would look like this, so I would just color the circle by hand, and you can clearly see that I don't have an amazing drawing ability just, by not using the feature where I hold the line, so then it's smooth. Now, we're gonna choose white color, and then we're gonna add a bigger circle at the top, and then a smaller circle at the bottom. And immediately you can see that look, the cute kawaii look that we want, just by adding this. After that, we're gonna draw some eyebrows, which are basically lines. So if I will change the color. If I draw like this and hold it, it's just a straight line. And then for this one, we can make it angry, maybe a little thicker. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the position. So now if you make it like this, the sticker looks angry. Now here we're gonna draw the mouth, and it's basically just half a circle in one side, half a circle on the other. I like to make this part a little thicker, and then the endings a little thinner, if that makes sense. So here it is, and then this one is angry, so the mouth is also like that. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the color with highlighter. The reason we do this is because if I want to later delete just the highlighter, I can do that. So it's very comfortable. And also if I want to change the color, then it can just select the highlighter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw an apple, and here I will just draw a circle and hold it. And then I can color it in like that. And as you can see, there's this line over here, that is overlapping because the highlighter is transparent. If you don't want that, what you can do is just not stop your pen, like just keep coloring until you're done, and only then release the pen. So as you can see now, the first layer is the highlighter and the second layer is the eyes. So what we can do is I can move the highlighter, and then I can just copy this, and then I can paste it. And once you paste it, it's gonna be on top of the image. So as you can see, like that. Now we can also add a little leaf to this, to my angry apple, and here it is. And what you can do next is, so if I want to delete this, for example, I can choose to erase highlighter only and then just delete the color. So now I can just add a different color over here. I'll also just color it in. So here we have it. Now I can change the color really quickly. So I can just select it, choose color, and just choose whatever looks good. And that's that. And now you can move it around. You can add it to a different page if you want. You can resize it. You can turn it. There's so many things. So let's say I want to move it to a different page. What I can do is I can click on it, just hold it, and then click copy, and then move to a new page and paste it. If I want, I can also click here, and I can add another page from my Goodnotes. So let's just create a random notebook. And then I can just hold it from my sticker book, let's say, and copy it and then paste it here. Also a possibility. So I can add one, I can add another one, or I actually don't need to do that. I can just add them like that. I'm just pasting them. And now maybe I decide I want to change their color, so I can change their color here. Let's make it red. Let's make it maybe green, and this one is gonna be blue. So now I can also change and delete some parts of it. So let's say I can choose precision eraser and delete the mouth. But as you can see, the problem is that if I delete the lines, I delete everything. So there's no way for me to just erase the pen. I can only erase the highlighter. So that's the biggest thing. But what you can do instead is, let's make this bigger. Let's say I want to move this apple. So I'm gonna move the highlighter, and then I don't want the mouth. So I'm gonna select everything else but the mouth, and I'm gonna copy, and then I'm gonna paste it on top of my apple. And then here I'm gonna draw a smile. So here, super easy, doesn't have to be difficult, you know, it's very easy to change your stickers if you create them in Goodnotes. And if you want some stickers that are pre-made, you can check a link below. I'll also add a link to how to create stickers on Canva. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and see you in the next video.